Let us see how to do conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So I will explain this with example. So we have got some records over here, and what I want to do is that out of these records, I want to highlight the cells or the rows where the salary is greater than 100K. For that, go to the format and then click on conditional formatting. And in here, you have to select the range. So I want to select the data range as this one up to D9, and then click on OK. And the format rules, format cells if it is greater than say 100K. Okay, and it is already highlighted, and the color that you want to select you can select from here, so like that, and that's it. So you can see that the cells have been highlighted if here the salary is greater than 100K. But let us say you want to highlight the entire row. So for that, what you have to do is that, so enter the custom formula and then put here like $D2 is greater than 100K. So $D2 is basically the first value, and here we have put the dollar because we don't want the columns to adjust based upon the range. So I'm gonna select the different range because earlier we had selected this only this column. That's why this formatting is applied to only this column, but we want to highlight the entire row. So for that, you have to select the different range, and I'm gonna select the range starting from A2 or A1, starting from A2 to say E9. Okay, and you can see that the entire row has been highlighted now. So remember two things: if you want to highlight the entire rows, you have to select the entire range. That is first thing. And the second thing is that you have to select the custom formula over there, and not a very simple formula like greater than, less than, like that. So select the custom formula, and here you have to select the first cell, right? So you can see that I'm selecting the first cell in this column where we want to start the comparison basically. And this dollar is also very important because if you remove the dollar, see what happens. See, this is not getting the desired result. What happens is, the reason why this happens is because since we are not locking the column is adjusting. Okay, column is moving to the right direction. So we want to fix the column by pressing $T, and then starting with second row, it will start the comparison. So it will come here, it will check if this value is greater than 100K, and then it will move on to the next one. It will move on to the next one because the column is same. What is changing over here is just row. And when it comes here, what happens is that this value is greater than 100K, and that's why this is gonna apply this color to the range. So basically, this color is gonna apply to this range when this condition meets. So this is how you can remember it. This color is applied to this range when this condition is met. Okay, thank you for watching.